All right, sixth grade. So we got example 2 here on rectangles. You can see my beautiful drawing to, on what you have in your notes. I did an amazing job copying it onto the board here. We're being asked to find the area and perimeter of this figure. This figure's not a rectangle. It's a weird shape, but I could break it up into 2 rectangles. And that's what we're going to do. And there's more than one way to go about this. So we're going to start with the area. And to find the area, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this thing up. I could break it up here, so I have this rectangle and this rectangle, or I could break it up here, so I have this rectangle and this rectangle. It doesn't matter which way you break it up. You just need to make sure when you find the area of each component, you do it correctly. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to break it up here. So I'm going to draw a little dashed line there as if I'm breaking this thing in half. I've got this top rectangle. I've got this bottom rectangle. So my top rectangle, I'm going to start with that. I define the area of a rectangle. We're doing length times width. So when I look at this, I can see it's got a length of 6. I can see it's got a width of 2. So to find the area, I'm just doing 6 times 2, which is 12. So the area of this rectangle is 12. So now I need this rectangle right here. I can see that the length is 3, but I need to figure out what this is. Because I know from here to here is 5, but I don't know what this section from here to here is, or from here to here is. So I need to figure that out. And what I can do is, if I know this whole thing is 5, I know from the bottom to the top of the entire figure is 5. And then I know this section is 2, because I was told that right there. That tells me 5 minus 2, this section right here has to be 3. And now I can find the area of this bottom rectangle here, because the length is 3, the width is 3, 3 times 3, it's 9. So my area is just going to be 12 plus 9. I'm going to add my 2 rectangles together, and I get 21. So my area is 21. Remember, we label it squared, so feet squared. Area's done. Perimeter, I just need to add up all the sides. And when I look at this, I know the bottom's 3, then 5, then 6, then 2. I don't know this one. I did know this one, but I already figured it out for area. I know it's 3. But I got to figure out this one right here. So it's going to be kind of the same way we figured this out. If I know the whole way across the figure is 6, because I can see that right there, from the left all the way to the right is 6 feet. Then I know this bottom part is 3 feet. Then this part right here has to be 6 minus 3. It has to be 3 feet. It's not always going to work out that those are the exact same number. It just worked out in this case. And now for perimeter, I just can add up all the sides. The biggest mistake I see with this is people forget a side or they add too many. I always start with the bottom and just work my way clockwise around the figure. So if the bottom's 3, then the left is 5, then the top is 6, and this one's 2, then we got 3 and 3. And then I'm just going to add those all up. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 6 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 22. So my perimeter is 22 feet. All right, that's example 2. You got some practice problems, do those, check them with the answer key, and then do the attached Google Forms quiz. Thank you.